Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video we'll be taking a look at week 7 of the Robinhood 52-week options trading challenge. Boy, I swear that's always a mouthful, but as always, I'm happy to be here right now sharing my progress with you for the week. This week in the stock market has definitely been a ride, so you definitely want to make sure to watch through to the end. And for those of you that are new here that haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. And if you're interested in signing up for WEBULL and getting 3 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each, hey, be sure to check out the referral link down below in the description. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. Do with it as you will. And without further ado, let's get into the video. What's good? It is Tuesday after market close. Did not record at all Monday because I'm going to be real with you. Monday did not go well and I just didn't feel like recording. Just a little teaser for you. We're pretty much right back where we started the challenge, but I don't want to spoil too much before we hop into the handy dandy Robinhood. So yeah, let's do that and take a look. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see on the day we are up $241.96, and the reason for that is partially the fact that we locked in some pretty big losses yesterday, and then partially the fact that as of right now this Nvidia spread is no longer in the money, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, it's no longer in the money, so it's moving in the right it's moving in the right direction. Hopefully what needs to happen with this election happens. It will really help to send this account back in the right direction. But looking at my holdings, it doesn't really look like much has changed aside from the balance in my account. So actually, let's go to my history and take a look at the trades I made. Alright, so if we go to statements and history, you can see, so right here you can see yesterday I bought a Facebook call for $281. The call went up about $90, but the mistake I made was not closing out the spread before I went to work. So yeah, I bought it in the morning. I bought it 9 minutes in the market open, which would be 9:39 market time, but bought it at 7:39 my time, and the value of the contract was going up. So I would check on it periodically, and it was still going up. There came a point I forgot about it. I should have just locked in profits, but I forgot about it, went to work, and by the time I got off work, the market was closed and the value of the contract was a little over $100. So pretty much as soon as the market opened today, I closed out of it. As you can see, it says 7:31. 1 minute in the market open today, I was like, yo, I'm not trying to lose everything. I'm not trying to go to zero. And I know I may not have a quick recovery, but I can get it back. Honestly, right now I'm feeling kind of defeated, but yo, we got so much time. Honestly, I feel so bad. I kind of fell back into my old habit from last challenge. But yeah, that's basically what happened Monday. Let me show you the trade we made today. Alright, so I bought a call on the SQQQ. I bought it at the beginning of the day and I sold out 1 minute before the market closed for $1 profit. So we took profits today. I cannot complain. I did try to take profits much earlier for around an $18 profit, but I put the bid in and then the prices moved down. So yeah, we had no luck. And then I noticed the market was closing, so I was like, yo, let me just take $1 profit, and I'm glad it worked out. But yeah, anyways, that's where we're sitting at Tuesday. We have $160 buying power. Our buying power was reduced by about $165, so yeah, that really set us back. If we look back on the month, still showing we're up on the month, but in order for us to stay up, we need to lock in those profits on Nvidia. So that's gonna do it for Tuesday, and we'll catch you on Wednesday. And we're back. It is Wednesday after market close. Let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood yet again, and as you can see, we had yet another good day in the Robinhood portfolio. If we scroll down, you'll see that I'm still in the Nvidia puts, but now you can see that for once I am finally up on these positions. I haven't been positive on these positions since the day that I bought them. So yeah, I feel good to be up on this position. The value of these put credit spreads are going down. Right now they're sitting at a value of $35, and the closer that gets to zero, the better. Looking at Nvidia, You can see that Nvidia is well above this now. It is at 552. I think when I purchased it, so it was around 570. So yeah, Nvidia has definitely took a tumble, but today was definitely a major boost for Nvidia. All right, but moving on, yeah, just taking a look at the overall stock market today. Not too much with Tesla, but a whole lot of green in the market today, especially with the NASDAQ. And one more thing I want to highlight. If we go back, look at Facebook. Facebook is up a massive $22 today. I knew Facebook was going to move. My timing was wrong. If we go back to the call I had earlier, just taking a look at it. So I bought a $277.50 call on Facebook, and I sold out for a pretty major loss. I think for about $165 loss. So yeah, kind of devastated with that one. And honestly, looking at it now, if I would have held, easily would have made over $1,000 on that. But honestly, this is why I try to stick to selling premium. I'm not really a fan of looking back on what I could have had since it's gone in the past, but just figured since we didn't really make any moves in the portfolio today, I just show you what could have happened. But anyways, that's going to do it for Wednesday. I will catch you on Thursday. It is Thursday after market close, and we still don't know who the president is yet. And because of that, honestly, I'm kind of scared to make new plays. But honestly, even with all this hesitation I'm feeling, I still made a couple plays today. So let's hop in the portfolio and take a look. All right, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood. And as you can see, the portfolio is sitting flat on the day. All right, and if we take a look, you can see that I have two SQQQ $20 calls. They both expire tomorrow, so very risky. But I don't know. I just didn't care. I feel like these might hit, and honestly, that's not a good enough reason to get in these. But I just decided I'd take a chance on these, just because the market's been so back and forth. But aside from me being down $13 each on both of those, on the day with Nvidia, I am up $26 on the day, and the $26 I'm up on Nvidia, and the $26 I'm down on the SQQQ balance me out to break even on the day. If we go back a month, you can see that I'm still up on this challenge. I'm still up well above the 5% average, even with the massive loss we took earlier this week. Honestly, really can't afford to do that anymore, and not too sure about these SQQQ calls. But going ahead, I really just want to get to the point where I can start running the wheel. So yeah, like I was saying, this needs to stop. And yeah, we need to hit our goal. But yeah, that's going to do it for Thursday. I will catch you on Friday, and hopefully we came up pretty nicely off these SQQQ calls. What's good? It is Friday. We just closed out another week. Looking back at the week, it was a pretty crazy week. Looking back at the day, in my opinion, also a pretty crazy day. But enough of me talking. Let's hop into the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look at the plays that we made today. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see, the account is up $23.90 today. You can also see that our buying power is $188.43, and on the week we're up $1.86. With everything that happened this week, we did not hit our goal, but we did make some plays today. So yeah, let's scroll down and take a look. As you can see, those two Nvidia credit spreads are gone. We now have a McDonald's credit spread and a Netflix call credit spread. But first, let me show you how we closed out of those SQQQ calls. Alright, so yeah, if we take a look, you can see that we got both of them for $54, and it looks like we sold them back for $17 total. And for those of you who don't know how I'm getting 17, I'm simply just adding 11 and 6. I sold the first one right at market open, and then the one I sold for $6, I waited an hour just in case anything happened. But nothing happened, so yeah, just sold out for 6. I was lucky to be able to sell out for anything, honestly though. But moving on, we also closed out of Nvidia, so yeah, let's take a look at that. Nvidia had a pretty monstrous day. Maybe not monstrous for Nvidia. It's up just under 3%. And yeah, if we scroll down here and take a look, yeah, let's take a look at the history. Hit show more. You can see that I sold each credit spread for $70, and I bought them both back for $17 each. Right there off the back, if we do the math, 1, 140 minus 34. So today we finally took that $106 profit on Nvidia, which really helped to keep the balance of our portfolio up and kind of offset some of those earlier losses this week. This week we didn't exactly move ahead, but we didn't move too far behind either. So in the end, it ended up working out. Going back to the two trades we're in now, I got both of them from Tiblio, and this McDonald's put credit spread, I'm up $3 on right now. Basically, it's a bullish position on McDonald's. If we look at McDonald's actually has earnings next week, I believe. And because of that, I think McDonald's is going to run up, possibly even beat earnings. But hopefully before earnings, I can actually sell out of this for a profit. All right, and then going on to Netflix. This position on Netflix is actually somewhat bearish. And if we take a look at Netflix, basically what I'm wanting is just for Netflix to stay under 530. And if we look back on Netflix's history, Netflix has been above that 530 mark, but I don't think it's going to happen next week. But if it does, I'm going to be on guard. Overall, today was a good day. This week was absolutely crazy. Had I not broken the rules and traded any naked options, we would be A-okay on this week. We would be oh so very good. But as you saw in this video, I got a little weak, wanted some excitement. Things didn't go my way, so what can you do? But anyways, this week was a ride for me. But I want to know, how the stock market treat you this week? Let me know down below in the comments. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything, don't be greedy, share this video with your friends, and smash the like button. And if for some reason you're new here and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post updates to this challenge every Saturday, as well as mix in some other videos in here and there. So yeah, subscribe. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.